Welcome to our journey through the cosmos, a voyage to understand the universe and our place within it. The universe, a vast expanse of everything that exists, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, holds mysteries that have captivated humanity since the dawn of time. It's a story of creation, evolution, and the endless cycle of life and destruction. Our universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, an unimaginable explosion that set the cosmos in motion. From a singular point of infinite density, the universe expanded, cooled, and gave birth to the fundamental particles that would form the first atoms. Hydrogen and helium, the universe's primary elements, clumped together under gravity's inexorable pull, igniting the first stars and forging the building blocks of everything we know. The universe is more than just space and time. It's a complex web of matter and energy, with galaxies like islands of stars gathered in the vast ocean of the cosmos. Each star, planet, and galaxy plays a role in this grand cosmic ballet. Stars forge the elements necessary for life, galaxies bring together the conditions for planets to form, and the mysterious dark matter and dark energy shape the universe's very structure. As we peer deeper into the universe, we uncover surprising truths. There are more stars in the cosmos than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. Yet dark matter and dark energy, invisible and undetectable, make up about 95% of the total content of the universe. The latest research in astrophysics, utilizing cutting-edge technology like the James Webb Space Telescope, continues to unravel the universe's secrets, from the mysteries of dark matter to the hunt for life beyond Earth. Galaxies, the cosmic building blocks of the universe, come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Among them are majestic spirals, with their graceful arms winding through space, elliptical galaxies, shaped like giant footballs of stars, and irregular galaxies, which defy classification with their chaotic forms. Each type offers a unique window into the universe, revealing insights into its history and evolution. Within the cosmic tapestry, individual stars give birth to planetary systems, each with its own unique arrangement of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. These systems form from vast clouds of gas and dust, known as protoplanetary disks, where gravity slowly molds these materials into planets. Through processes like accretion and gravitational interactions, planets take shape, eventually forming the diverse array of worlds that populate our galaxy. The story of the universe is one of constant change and evolution, from its fiery birth in the Big Bang to the intricate tapestry of galaxies that adorn the cosmos today. Over billions of years, stars have ignited, galaxies have formed and merged, and the universe has expanded and cooled, giving rise to the rich diversity of structures we observe today. This cosmic evolution has shaped not only the physical universe, but also the emergence of life and consciousness within it, marking a journey of discovery and exploration that continues to unfold. As we conclude our journey through the universe, we're reminded of our tiny yet precious place within it. The cosmos is a vast, beautiful, and often bewildering expanse filled with wonders far beyond our imagination. Yet it's here on this small planet that we've begun to unlock the secrets of the universe, a testament to our enduring spirit of discovery and our insatiable curiosity about the world around us. If you're as fascinated by the universe as we are, don't miss out on our future explorations and discoveries. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow space enthusiasts. Together, let's unlock the mysteries of the universe.